Kana ndadona. Ndaita mistake. Mara anondiregera iwo kana usingadi ndiwe ndeyo zvako. But remember kudenga hakuna kunyorwa kunzi welcome to state number 1604 Mwacha Street, Rua.
Yo, guys, welcome to our newest program called 3 Minutes, where we'll be just posting sermons for just 3 minutes only. My name is Godkeeper, Godk TV, right? Kanoripa Facebook, follow, Kanoripa YouTube, please do subscribe. Nasinda ene video ra Apostle Chiwenga vachitivo Denga Harisi Kwenyu.
The man of God is not above the scripture or the doctrine. He is a subject also. He is also weighed on the same balance. I love a day when I find myself falling short of the standards that I have preached myself. That is evidence that I'm a true man of God.
Oh, yes.
A preacher who changes the positions of the doctrine because he has fallen short of their standards is not a true preacher. But Apostle Makati munafanya kudai kwema zvitawo kana ndadona ndaita mistake. Mara anondiregera iwo kana usingadi ndiwe ndeyo zvako. But remember kudenga hakuna kunyorwa kunzi welcome to state number 1604 Mwacha Street, Rua. Saka iwo kasandiregerera, don't think kuti ndichashayiwa denga nokuti warega kundiregerera, because denga harisi rekumusha kwako kwamaranda kuzasi kumasvingo. Saka inini ndinoda kukuzivisai kuti ndikakuparidzira izvokwadi yaMwari. Inini ndikatona pazvokwadi iyoyo ndinotendeuka, handichinje zvokwadi iyoyo. Ndikaichinja handisisiri munhu waMwari. Tawa divorce yakashata, but kana ndaita yakanaka ndikakotenderwa. But ndikonoti apostle vane exceptions, remember? That's not a church, my dear. Go home, it's a beer home. I watched a video where somebody was demonstrating a dictatorship system of governance. It was a high jump. So in a high jump, there are two pillars. They put a road in between. You have to jump over that road. So what was happening is that the younger ones, the dictator was very fat. He couldn't jump well. So when the younger ones came, they jumped well. But because he was a dictator, he asked those who were standing by the post to lift the bar each time this one wanted to jump. So everybody failed. But when he came, they lowered it, so he jumped properly. And he said, she can't be a dictator. Can I jump? So everybody is judged by the same standard, including myself.